Hey guys, I'm Justin from Cooking with Coit. I specialize in clean comfort cooking, and today I'm gonna show you how to make the creamiest and most delicious avocado toast. And if you love this recipe, make sure you hit that like and subscribe buttons. Let's get started. Avocado toast is one of those things that you should definitely make at home. I live in Los Angeles and I eat out at plenty of restaurants that are way overpriced, and sometimes they charge like $15 for avocado toast. If you make this avocado toast recipe, I promise you it's not gonna cost more than like $2.50. You can't make the perfect avocado toast without perfect avocado. There are two things to consider when picking the best avocado: color and firmness. A perfectly ripe avocado is just a little bit squishy. Now it's really hard to quantify what a little bit squishy means, so you just gotta go to the grocery store and see for yourself. What I notice is that my fingers just kind of depress into the skin just a little bit. A avocado that is not ripe is gonna be really hard, almost like a rock. On the color end of things, a ripe avocado tends to be a little bit darker, like the one in my right hand here, and a less ripe avocado is a little bit of a lighter green shade. All right, now we're gonna cut and scoop out our avocado. The first thing I do is I insert the knife into the skin of the avocado, and I push until I feel the knife hit the seed, and then I start working the knife all the way around, just like this. And then I open it up with a little twist, and look how beautiful that avocado is. To remove the seed, I'm gonna take my knife and jab it in just like this, and then give it a little twist, and out it comes. Then I'm gonna take my spoon and insert it around the edge of the skin and just give it a little scoop out. Just like that. I'm gonna do the same to the other side. Now all we have to do is mash up the avocado with a fork. Texture is one of those things that's really important with avocado toast. You don't want to mash up the avocado so much that it becomes kind of like soupy. You definitely want to leave it a little chunky. This is looking like the perfect consistency. So the next thing we're gonna do is prepare our toast. I'm gonna pop my toast in the toaster oven. One of the things I love about avocado toast is that it's not just a healthy breakfast, but it's a really great lunch or an afternoon snack if you want it to be. All right, so we have toasted our bread. We've got the perfect base of an avocado toast here. Nice and crispy bread and brown nice and evenly. It's ready for the avocado. So we're gonna take a forkful of avocado and we are going to spread it just like this. You don't need to use a knife for this, just use a fork and squish it around a little bit. We want nice edge to edge coverage, and we don't want the avocado to bread ratio to be too far off, so keep that in mind as you're spreading. Go, that looks perfect. Now we're gonna add our finishing touches to this avocado toast. First up is the squeeze of lemon. Just gonna give it a little squeeze like that. Now lemon juice goes a long way, so don't put too much on. The really cool thing about lemon juice with this recipe is that not only does it make the avocado toast taste great, but it also keeps the avocado from browning. Now we're gonna add a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper. If you love avocado toast and you wanna give it even more of an upgrade, what you can do is take a fried egg and put it on top. It is the most delicious breakfast sandwich. Last but not least, we're gonna add just a little pinch of red chili pepper flakes. And what that does is it's gonna give a nice little heat to this avocado toast. Beautiful, and I love how the red of the chili pepper flakes contrasts with the green of the avocado. It's really pretty. And there we go. Now before we get to the taste test, if you guys have loved this video and you wanna see more just like it, check out my healthy recipes playlist. Let's give it a taste. You could of course eat your avocado toast just like this, but I like to go one step further and I like to cut it in half. It kind of reminds me of when I was little and I would get a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for lunch every day from my mom in elementary school, and she would cut it just like this. So it brings back good memories. Let's see how it tastes. This avocado toast is so creamy, and the little hit of the lemon with the heat of the red chili flakes, it is delicious. Guys, you gotta try this. Like I said, have it for breakfast, have it for lunch, or have it for an afternoon snack. No matter how you have it, it's a great healthy meal. I hope you guys have loved this video. I'll see you in the next.